you exfoliate. Let's say that over. So my second kit, oh my god, I'm so tired of recording this shit. So welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing 10 skincare tips to keep your skin healthy and glowing all 2K19. So without further ado, keep on watching. So skincare tip number 1 is to make sure you wash your face twice a day. If you're outside at work or just did a workout, make sure you wash your face, because all of that product and oil sitting on your face can lead you to break out over time. Skincare tip number 2 is to make sure you change your pillowcase every 3 to 4 days, because like I was saying, oil, sweat, product buildup, makeup that you decided not to take off over time will break out your skin. Now if you don't have money to go get new pillowcases from Macy's, or you don't have extra pillowcases to waste like that, what I do is I use a 100% cotton t-shirt. I flip it inside out and I just put the t-shirt over my pillow like a pillowcase, and I just do that. And this ensures my face touches something clean very often, and it just helps reduce you breaking out. So my third beauty tip is to make sure you exfoliate at least twice a week. This includes your lips, your face, and your body. It helps remove dead and dry skin cells and helps improve blood circulation. Now, exfoliating is what keeps you looking very vibrant and glowy by removing all those dead, dry looking skin cells off your skin. You can make a DIY skin scrub with stuff you have at home. You can do a store-bought skin scrub, and they also have gloves that you can use in shower to bathe with as an exfoliant. I personally love to use all 3 because they exfoliate differently, and I just like to get, you know, the different exfoliations going on every week. And I also put the products I use down in the description below in case you are interested. So my fourth skincare tip is to make sure you do a mask at least once or twice a week. I know it's a lot of things to do within a week, but trust me, they are all beneficial to helping your skin. Before you do any face mask, you want to make sure you know what type of skin you have, because using the wrong face mask can lead you to produce more oil than necessary on your face or strip all the oil off your face. And the point of the face mask is to strip excess oils and to hydrate your skin. Now with face masks, you can also do DIY face masks or store-bought face masks. My favorite DIY face mask personally is baking soda and lemon juice. This has a lot of antibacterial properties that just helps reduce breakout and inflammation on the skin. My favorite store-bought face mask is the Aztec clay face mask, which I mix with apple cider vinegar. This also helps clear up dark marks and also helps reduce inflammation in the skin as well. And like I said, I'll just put all this down in the description below for whoever's interested on what I use for my skincare. So number 5, make sure you drink water. So I try to drink 70 ounces of water a day. That is a lot, because that's not the only liquid I drink in a day, but water helps relieve toxins out of your body, as well as green tea. So if you don't really like water and you kind of want a little bit of flavor, you can also try unsweetened green tea as well. Your body is made up of 60% water, so you want to make sure you're hydrated all the time, because listen, your internal organs need that damn water, especially in the summer when you're sweating. You need to drink more water to replace all of that that's coming out of your body. Now if you can't remember to drink water, there are apps that I found that I didn't even know existed that will help you keep track of how much water you're drinking a day to make sure you're meeting your everyday standards or your everyday goals. Tip number 6 is to use Vaseline to remove mascara off your eyelashes. I wish I knew this way back when, because I literally pull my eyelashes off, get a makeup remover wipe, and just take the mascara off and rip them off. Let me not say take it, I used to rip them off, and I would look like I wasn't born with eyelashes. So whoever invented this way to remove the mascara and also hydrate the lashes at the same time, you are a freaking genius. So tip number 7 is to stop drinking soda, reduce the amount of sugar we intake, and also cut down on snacks. Now we are young, so our body isn't really that bothered, but as we get older, our body can't really take, I don't know how to say it, but just kind of like the way we eat or what we eat, or certain things we eat, I should say. I would never tell someone what to eat, but I try to, you know, shed some light and information and education on healthy eating options. I'm not saying like I eat healthy all the time, but I do not drink soda. I barely eat snacks, and I do watch how much sugar I eat every day, because certain things you eat can also be a reason of why your skin may not be clearing up the way you want it to, or you know, why there's a lot of weight gain going on. And no, I'm not saying all sugar sugars are bad, because there are good sugars, hence fruits, but just being mindful of how much sugar you intake a day is helpful, so you know what to cut back on and you know what you can replace with good sugars. Tip number 8 is to exercise 5 days a week for at least 30 minutes. So now if you can't go outside, you can, you know, walk. That's an exercise. You can power walk. You can go to the gym. Now if you can't leave your house for whatever reason, you can also go on YouTube, and there's tons and tons and tons of videos on there. If you have Wii, you can do Wii Fit. They have tons of apps for intermediate, beginner, and experienced and workouts that you can go and choose as well. Now a lot of people are very busy. I'm not saying everyone has the luxury to exercise, you know, for 30 minutes every day, but I promise you, if you wake up 30 minutes before, you know, it's time to get up and exercise, it will help jumpstart your day and really just give you so much energy. I don't even understand how that makes any sense, but literally just exercising before you start your day gives you so much energy. Now, if this does not work for you, you can try exercising after work. You may be more tired at the end of the day, but just trying it out for a week to kind of see how it goes. So tip number 9 is to keep your damn hands off your face. Your hands are dirty. So let me just say this now, because people are nasty and they don't wash their hands and they do all sorts of nasty things, especially when you're outside and you're touching, you know, all this public stuff, and then you're like, oh wow, you know, you're just putting so much bacteria on your face, and then you're touching your phone. Now your phone is freaking dirty with billions and trillions of bacteria. So just make sure you keep your hands off your face. I personally sanitize my phone with 30% rubbing alcohol, 70% water. I do not recommend this, and I'm not telling anyone to do this. This is the disclaimer. Take it at your own risk, because iPhones are made with oleophobic coating on it to reduce oil, and when you use the alcohol, it strips the coating off. So I'm not telling anyone to do this, but I'm just saying what I do as a way to kind of sterilize my phone. Now they do have the oleophobic wipes and cleaning materials on Amazon and whatever other website they have it on, and they also have a UV like case with a UV light to kill bacteria off the phone. That's $100. If you done got $100 to go spend, you know, to sanitize your phone, go on ahead, do what you gotta do. But I'm just telling you what I do with what I could afford. And 10, lastly, when in doubt, consult a esthetician, someone who is a professional in skincare. Let them figure out what your skin type is, what skin problems you have, how can you help it, are you hurting your skin? Because sometimes you think you could have oily skin and you could have normal skin, and you know, you using certain products could really mess up the pH balance on your face, or just change your whole face type in general. So like I said, when in doubt, consult a professional before you find yourself in a hole you have to dig yourself out of. So thank you for watching. If you guys like this video, do not forget to put what tips you like down below, which ones you found interesting, which ones you really didn't like, and also any criticism so I can make this video even better for next time. So without further ado, I'll see you guys next time.